destiny of the world, Gandhi and Kasturbai visited Shanti Niketan at poet Tagore's invitation in February 1940. Notwithstanding his ill health, Tagore came to the mango grove to express his love and reverence for Gandhi. The poet welcomed Gandhi as one of their own and as one belonging to all humanity.